Hi, it's Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yung guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa ating TIN. Halimbawa, nakalimutan na natin yung ating TIN number. Paano ba natin siya malalaman via online? So ngayon guys, pwede natin malaman via online na hindi natin kailangan pumunta sa kanilang branch. So ituturo ko sa inyo guys step by step. Una, pumunta tayo sa ating browser. Computer o cellphone yung gamit natin. Open natin yung ating browser, then i-type natin bir.gov.ph. Ito yung official website ng BIR. Then makikita natin sa isang tab dito yung e-services. So ito siya guys. I-click lang natin to. Then makikita natin sa una yung ORUS. So ito guys yung i-click natin yung Online Registration and Update System or ORUS. Welcome to BIR Online Registration and Update System ORUS. Then sa bandang baba guys makikita natin yung TIN inquiry. Ito siya guys. So i-click lang natin to. In case you forgot your taxpayer identification number or TIN, you can make a request by providing the following information. So kailangan natin ibigay yung ating information gaya ng first name, middle name, last name, gender, birthday, complete residence address, civil status, spouse name if applicable, valid government issued ID or passport, photo holding the government issued ID. So bago tayo magpatuloy, so kailangan naka-ready na tong dalawa na to. Picturean natin yung ating valid ID, then mag-selfie tayo na hawak natin yung ating valid ID. A BIR officer will review your request and send you an email containing your TIN if approved. Otherwise, you will receive an email with remarks as to why your request was not approved. So makatanggap tayo ng email. Para makapagpatuloy tayo guys, click natin tong proceed. Input your active email address and accomplish the recaptcha if you wish to proceed with your forgotten TIN request. So ilagay natin dito guys yung active email address natin. Kailangan active guys kasi doon natin matatanggap yung email from BIR. So fill upan natin. Then after natin ma-fill upan, click natin tong I'm not a robot. Then sa bandang baba guys, i-check lang natin to I declare. Then sa bandang baba rin, I understand. So check lang natin yan. Then click natin yung confirm. So sabi dito, the link for your TIN inquiry request has been sent to your email. So click natin yung okay. Then i-check natin yung ating email para makita natin yung email from BIR. Ayun guys, meron tayong natanggap na email from BIR. TIN inquiry request. So i-click lang natin to. And so sabi dito, hi, you are receiving this email because you requested for your forgotten taxpayer identification number or TIN. To proceed with your request, kindly copy the URL below and paste it in the address bar of your browser to access the form. So hindi siya clickable guys. Kailangan natin i-copy ito. Copy. Then punta tayo sa ating address bar. Then i-paste natin dito. And so tax information. So sabi dito, fill out the following information below. So kailangan fill upan natin yung first name, middle name, last name, suffix, gender, birth date, saka yung civil status. Then click natin yung continue. After natin ma-fill upan, click natin yung continue. And complete residence address. So ilagay natin dito yung complete residence address natin. So dito sa guys, dito sa unit, kung hindi available sa inyo, ilalagay lang ninyo NA, not applicable. Then after natin ma-fill upan, click natin yung continue. And dito natin i-upload yung mga documents na kailangan natin i-submit. So kailangan nyo i-upload natin na documents is naka JPEG, PNG or PDF. Then maximum file size limit niya is 25 MB. So wag lang lagpas sa 25 MB. Kasi pag lumagpas yan guys, mag-error siya. So dito natin i-upload yung valid government issued ID natin or passport. Then dito sa bandang baba naman guys, dito natin i-upload yung selfie photo natin. After tayo makapag-upload dito, click natin yung continue. And summary, please review your information. Then sa bandang baba, check lang natin to. Then I understand. Then click natin yung submit application. Your request to retrieve your TIN with ARN has been submitted to RDO 033. You will be notified of the result within 3 working days. So, i-monitor natin guys within 3 working days yung email from BIR. So, click natin yung okay. After 1 day na nag-request tayo ng forgotten TIN natin, so may natanggap na tayo na email from BIR. And sabi dito, request approved forgotten TIN notification. Please be informed that your request suite has been approved. So, TIN number, ito yung TIN number natin guys, binigay na nila. Ibig sabihin successful yung pag-request natin para ma-retrieve yung ating TIN number. Ayun guys, ganun yung gawin natin kung nakalimutan natin yung ating TIN number, pwede na natin malalaman via online. So, i-request lang natin mismo sa BIR dito sa kanilang website using online registration and update system or ORUS. Ayun guys, I hope nakatulong yung ating tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys, pwede nyo comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated kung may mga bago tayong tutorial na upload sa ating channel. Maraming salamat guys, see you next time, bye, God bless.